So in this freeform tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to duplicate a board here on freeform. So the first thing you have to do is open up freeform. Once that is done here, as for this demonstration, I actually have a board that I created called board number 1. Has some wonderful text right here, as well as a square. Just like that. So once that is done and you have your board and you want to duplicate the board, it's super simple. I'm just going to go ahead and exit out of this just like this. Now, once you have your boards here under all boards, simply just go ahead and highlight this board right here. And then 3 options down, it says duplicate, press and duplicate just like that. Now you have a copy or an exact duplicate of your previous board that you created. So board number 1 here is an exact replica of the board that I created a little bit ago. So super simple, super straightforward. This is how to duplicate a board here on freeform. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.